Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go to the information. The functions f and g are defined by the given equations, that is f of x equals to 3 positive absolute value of negative 2x negative x square, and g of w equals to absolute value of negative w over w negative 1 negative w positive 5. If f of negative 4 equals to c, where c is a constant, what is the value of g of c? Okay, if I want to get the value of g of c, what I need to do is I have to plug in c for w and I have to evaluate. So before that, I must be knowing what is the value of c. So for that, we have the information that is f of negative 4 equals to c. That is, in the first function f of x, if I plug in x equals to negative 4, so the result what I'm getting is equal to c. Okay, let me write this information. That is f of negative 4 equals to c. Okay, now let's evaluate the value of f of negative 4. For that, I have to plug in negative 4 for x into the first function. That is, in this expression, I have to plug in negative 4 for x. Then I'm getting 3 positive absolute value of negative 2 times negative 4 negative 4 the whole square equals to c. Okay, 3 positive absolute value of negative 2 times negative 4 will become positive 8 negative. So the evaluation of negative 4 the whole square is just 16. So because whenever we take even exponent for a negative value, it will become positive. That is, we are getting positive 16, but already there is a negative sign over here. So then I'm getting negative 16 equals to c. So 3 positive, when I simplify 8, negative 16, I'm getting negative 8, absolute value of negative 8 equals to c. Okay, then I'm getting 3 positive. So the absolute value of negative 8 is just 8 equals to c. 3 positive 8 is 11 equals to c. Okay, now I got the value of c. Okay, now let's evaluate the value of g of c. That is g of c equals to g of 11. So because I just plugged in 11 for c over here. Okay, now we have to evaluate g of 11. For that, I have to plug in 11 for w into the function we have over here. Then I'm getting absolute value of negative 11 over 11 negative 1 negative 11 positive 5. So absolute value of negative 11 over. So when I simplify this one, I'm getting 10 negative 11 positive 5. So when I divide this negative 11 by 10, I'm getting negative 1.1. That is absolute value of negative 1.1. And when I combine these two numbers, negative 11 and positive 5, I'm getting negative 6. Okay, so the absolute value of negative 1.1 is just 1.1, negative 6. When I combine these two numbers, I'm getting negative 4.9. So the value of g of c is negative 4.9.